What up, YouTube? It's your boy KG, that boy Wild 10, Clark Street Shutdown King, Elite Status. Shout it, man. What's going on? What's going on? Alright, today, guys, man, about to head to Holly Springs, Mississippi, and go check out North Mississippi Whips annual car show, man. So, that's what we got going on for today, man. So, stay around for it.
You want some money, guys? Free money. All daily drivers, meet me under the tower. All daily drivers, meet me under the tower. Alright, now we need all the daily drivers under the tower. All daily drivers under the tower. I need you. All daily drivers under the tower. I need all my 22s and up guys that be doing to do some racing. I need y'all to come on over here. Right under the tower too. By the these days, 22s and up again. I'm so sorry. We need you. 22s and up. Hard times, hard times, hard times. Get to the DJ booth. Get to the DJ booth. Hard times. South times. That's South time. We got another thing. We got another contestant. Oh, man. We got another contestant right here, y'all. Got another hard time being right there. Right. tower. All day the driver car, meet me up under the tower. All day the driver, meet me up under the tower. All day the driver, all day the driver. If you get in the shootout, meet me up on the tower. Yes, sir. All day the driver, we need you in the shootout under the tower. They looking for you. Daily driver, where you at, daily driver? All day the driver, get in the shootout, meet me up on the tower. We're going to start the shootout. Hey, we got another contestant right there. Go on over there. Don't be scared. Come on with it. Jeremy, where you at, Jeremy? We need you.
Alright guys, just got back from the show. Wish I could have got you guys even more footage, but a lot of cars didn't show up till later on in the evening. It's one thing about my Mississippi people, man. We are not trying to be outside in that heat and do a whole bunch of sweating. We didn't really just get live to around 8:30, 9. That's when they just really started coming in. And I really didn't want to be out there all late and I had work tomorrow. So I got on constantly going to different car shows, man. Try to get y'all content, try to get y'all footage, man. So if this your first time watching the video, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man, because we out here grinding. And also, man, we just hit 1,500 subscribers, man. I appreciate everybody that's locking in with me and rocking with me, man. And as you can see, man, we up to 700,000 total views and all, man. Appreciate everybody for taking the time out to watch my videos, man. And, man, like I said, man, we going yonder way like them old folks say, man. So stay around for it.